The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope everyone had a great weekend. NQ seems to be having a good weekend, good day so far. Let's take a look at that. Hey, Mr. G. Thank you, thank you. So, NQ rising up pretty much since the start. 720, 713 was the low. We've hit a high of 916, so about a 200-point range as it tries to make back Friday's losses. Copper's been rising up, making a new high in the last 5 minutes. About 140 ticks there. Gold about 17 points. Ultra Bond rising up, strong to be heard. About 1.5 there. And crude oil kind of tight, over a point range, and natural gas almost 200 ticks there. So that's where we stand. Excellent job, G. So I have a little bit of a issue this morning. I have like nothing to trade. I mean, I'm gonna paper trade because Tostep hasn't gotten back to me about whether they want to continue the deal. Tick account I gotta be really careful on, so I gotta like kind of finesse that. And I passed my I'm gonna pass my earn the trades at its profit target. So we're gonna have to paper trade this morning and see how that goes. And hopefully I'll have an account to trade tomorrow. I don't have any money, spare money, to get another account. I mean, right now, I've seen a couple good sales going on right now, but I just don't have that extra money with ShareVision screwing me over. We're going to reset the paper trading account. And we're going to just see what we can do. I did some work over the weekend. And we're going to try that. Morning, Jay. Oh, well, he can't hear me then. How was everybody's weekend as we watch NQ kind of bounce on the CMA? While I finish my eggs. So, as of now, we're no longer posting on share. We're no longer streaming on ShareVision. I decided to pull ShareVision. Do need to go in the Nightbot and stop the messages about ShareVision, and it looks like I also have. There we go. That's done. Like I need to edit that thing down at the bottom of the screen too. So we're pulling down here. So like I said, we're going to be paper trading. Gonna go for 10 points here. I think. One of those spots, I don't know. We come up, dipped down once, up, dipped again, but not a good dip. This could be another not a good dip. Yep, heading back up. So like I said, not a good dip. I hate it when the dip's not good. Ruins the chips. It's got a play in here. This might decide to come down, but so far it hasn't. Working off of a 3-minute chart. We're going to try something a little different. This the 3 seems a little bit better. I was playing with it over the weekend. Maybe. I'm going to take the short here and see how it goes. I know people don't really like watching paper trading. Right now I have nothing to trade in evaluation form. I won't get my funded account from on the trade until like November 1st. And I have no evaluations, so I should have stayed out. The first instinct was to stay out. It showed me that it might want to come, so I went. But we'll see. Still watching this. It still looks like it might want to try and come down here. Like waves in the ocean. The waves are getting smaller. The hurricane has moved away. That is a trigger candle back up. I thought of getting out. We'll see what happens. Morning, Deb. How you doing? morning, Matt. How are you? Morning, Kim. How are you doing? I hope you do as well. For now, I'm just paper trading because I have nothing to trade. I hate this. So Tostep hasn't gotten back to me about extending the deal. I'm at profit target on ETT, and I have no spare money right now to get another evaluation. Thanks to ShareVision. C and Q still trying to come out with. I like this. I did like this setup. This up, lower high. It wasn't really a lower high here, but it was just a big wick showing downward pressure. That's why I took this trade. See the move down. There we go. There's the break. Now profit. Patience is a virtue. Looking for 10 points. Might adjust that because we've seen that the bands are kind of retracting. So we'll play it by ear here. Can always kill the trade if needed. Let's try to come back up after that. 9 point candle down. Maybe that's where I should have cut it. Big candle down. Kind of bounced on that bottom. Nice job, G. Yeah, I should have cut it for a quick profit, I guess. It heads right back up. Wow, so quick bounce back up. Fortunately, it only went a minute. 88. Only went, get out of there. 4 points, so guess I should have cut it for the 80. Yeah, hardly any news today. I think. New York Fed manufacturing at 8:30. Not even any Fed speakers today. How about that? So last week was a wild week. We'll be interested to see. This week doesn't have near as much news, no CPI or anything. But be interested to see where we go from here. It was a roller coaster week. This was just amazing. Down and up. So let's see where we go. I don't know where we're going. Yep, I have it up. I have a couple things running on it. It's doing all right. No, no, it seems no different than than my own thing. So we're hanging right around the EMA here, 10 to 891. And we're just hanging here. Hanging. Let's try to pop back up here. So keep an eye on it. I'm not going to cut it yet. So we're just watching it. Forgot, how a little bit. I mean, it's definitely a slower pace using a 3-minute candle. This would be my 1 minute. Now, 1 minute. I mean, the 1 minute would have actually got me in. Well, it wouldn't have got me in early because I wouldn't have been streaming yet. But I don't know. That's the quandary I have between using anything besides a 1 minute chart because I look at how much later would have got in. I would have got in 7 points earlier, and uh, still, we'll see. 3 minute just seems to be better overall, but uh, Okay, G, we'll see ya. Stretching. Excuse me. Well, already a slow morning here. I mean, which is okay. We top of the hour coming up. See where this trade goes. Remember, folks, if you're enjoying today's content, or if you just got here and expect to enjoy today's content, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Here comes NQ back down. We officially hit 1,100 subscribers sometime between Thursday and today. It was, well, sometime between Thursday and Saturday. It hit 1,100, it went back down to 1099. Now we're at 1101. Most likely, probably not next week, but the following week, we'll start doing evening streams here on YouTube. But probably not 5 days a week. I'll figure out a schedule. Might just be like, I don't know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Or maybe every day besides Sunday. I mean, I kind of like having the entire weekend. But we'll see. Maybe I could figure out some kind of excuse me, some kind of sponsor. We'll see. So watching this come down. That first week in November is going to be wild and wacky as well. You have FOMC and non-farm payrolls within like 36 hours of one another. This is just slow, very slow, but staying below that EMA right now, staying below my yellow line down here. So right now, slow is good. I mean, that slow isn't good. I prefer just drops, but you know, we're down 3 points on the trade, but it's not horrible. Huh? So watching, it's kind of trying to curl back up. I've done that a couple of times and failed. It's a failure. Now it's not looking so good anymore, but we'll see. Yep, looks like I get stopped out here. Yep, there we go. A nice strong candle up after that consolidation. About 10 points. Don't like it as a trigger candle though. We're just going to wait now and see if we get anything else interesting. Crude's kind of flat right now. Gold, a little bit flat too. Ultra Bond opens here shortly. Hey, no Dakota yet. Natural gas has been heading down nicely. Cold, cold morning here in central Illinois. Having our first major cold snap, first freeze of the year. A bit early this year. Now, I could have went back up on this. I didn't really like it, but that would have been a good, good trade there. Let's look at the 1 minute. I'm gonna keep comparing. See, this is why these are two good trigger candles on the one, but now that one wasn't. So I don't know. I'm gonna stick with the 3 and for today, especially since I'm paper trading, and see where we go. We're still seeing lower highs though, as at least right now. Yeah, we'll see where this move goes. I don't know where it's going. I said that already. There's the top of the hour. Looks like maybe we're getting a boost back up. Our high of the day, we're near it. 916, we're at 906. See if we try and make a run for the border here. Up, up, up. Thank everyone for joining me early this morning. See, there's almost 20 people here already. We're watching NQ as it makes the move up. Taking one trade so far. It was a loser. That's okay. Could have taken this back up, but I didn't. It would have been a 10-point winner. So, a little bit of a misread. In the last hour or so, up would have been winners each time. So you see this big wick coming right back down. Pulling back down. So that is a big wick. We're still choppy here, so I need confirmation. That looks like a reversal setup, but I want confirmation. I want it. I want it. Y'all are very quiet this morning. So we'll check. So we have one piece of news that I don't expect to move the market, at least anything significant. That's New York bed manufacturing at 8:30 tomorrow. U.S. industrial production. I don't think that's a big thing. I don't remember. I need to start taking notes. Wednesday, housing starts and Canadian CPI. Thursday, jobless claims as usual. U.S. Philly Fed Business Index. U.S. existing home sales. And then Friday, just some Canadian stuff. So this is a very light news week altogether. Very, very light. I'm just watching this now. This is a very boring action, I must admit. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin, not the 19,450. I took Ethereum off. I was checking out stocks people were talking about the other day. This was an interesting, obviously I don't trade stocks, but I like to follow a couple of YouTube channels that try to catch these type of moves. And that was something where it popped from 4 up to 12 like that, and then right back down. I guess one guy I watched got caught in it at one point and lost $500,000. If I lost $500,000, I would like have a heart attack. Unless I had like $1 billion, then I'll be okay with it. Coming back down. Still those uptrending bands. But so far this has been this was that candle there was a precursor for this move down. So you see it's trying. It's trying. Strong, yeah. So this ended up being a strong move down. Or not strong, but would have been a good 5-pointer. Do we want to take this short? I think we do. Or maybe not. After it pops back right back up there. So it comes back down first. We'll try another 10-pointer. You see it's struggling. It keeps trying to get up to the high of the day, and it keeps failing. This was the high of the day right here. It's tried again, again. And it keeps saying, nope, nope, nope. I'm sorry. You go no further. Not sure why it does it in the English accent. Or that wasn't even English. I have no idea what the accent that was. No idea why it does it in that voice. And right back up. And right back down. Up, up, down, down. Everybody look what's going round. Watching and waiting. Watching to see if it wants to come down for me. Come on down. You're the next contestant and give me a winning trade. Should have taken it right off. I was gonna go with my instinct and take it right off that candle with the big wick. Now we're going short right there. Moving down. See if we can get below that last. While we've been kind of topping out, we've also been having slightly higher lows. So we need to get below there. If not, we'll cut it for a quick win. Welcome, G. Back. Welcome back. Welcome back. There we go. Target hit. That's what I'm talking about. That's a $215 winner. Thank you, G. So now the better trade, obviously, I said right as I saw this candle, I'm like, this isn't on a downtrend, so I could have got in there and gotten, a better entry by 7 points. So could have been, a better entry, but we got our 215 and the one win, one loss, up $20 on the day. Remember, folks, I am totally transparent. Today we are paper trading because I don't have an account to trade otherwise. I got one account that's at profit target for an evaluation. I just need to open and close a micro for several days. And Tostep hasn't gotten back to me about renewing my deal. So right now I'm in flux. So we're paper trading. So we'll continue to move down. And we'll watch for our next entry. Wonder where the code is at this morning. Ultra bond market. Here it is, just about to open. Still choppy. Choppy, choppy. Was hoping to hear back from ShareVision or Tostep. Have not heard back from either. Both of them are making my life difficult. now we just kind of watch. We'll watch the altar bond, see what it does here at the Treasuries Open. As we don't know what to say. Watching these candles form. See it touch that EMA again, but just kind of sitting here, sitting on the dock of the bay. Just watching and waiting. And there's Ultra Bond trying to pop up right here. Morning, Robin. Welcome, welcome. Hope you had a great weekend. Kind of watching the bands here cradle. Thank you. It's trying to pop up here. Treasury market's open with a pop. 5 ticks, and there's NQ also. So it seems like the NQ gets a jolt every time the Treasuries market opens at 8:20. We see this jolt here. Big move up there in the Alter Bond, 10 ticks. A 13-point candle, which is the biggest candle we've seen since this one back here. That was over an hour ago, almost an hour and a half ago. Remember, I'm operating off the 3-minute chart now instead of the one. Something I want to try. We're gonna go long here. See how we do. I like that trigger candle, though it is just barely above that yellow line down there. But we'll see how it goes. See if we can make that run toward the high of day, which was 916. We're sitting at right at 900. My target is 906. Look at the Ultra Bond move there, though. Wow. So Ultra Bond woke up today on the right side of the bed. Nice. Almost one in the last 2 minutes. It's almost going up. No, yeah, sorry. It's a 3-minute chart down there, too. I forgot about that. So in the last 5 minutes, it's going almost half a point. Meanwhile, IQ's struggling here. Might cut it early. We'll give it a little bit more chance here. If it can get up a few more points. Oh, there we go. Oop, nope. Nice little burst, then bounce. Burst and bounce. Sounds like a kid's toy. The hottest new toy this Christmas, the burst and bounce. Target hit. There we go. 2 winners. This always happens when I'm paper trading. So, 2 for 2 out of 3 this morning, up $225. I don't, when I'm paper trading, I don't send the money roll thing going though. But, yep, nice little burst up there as the Ultra Bond burst up. So, caught this short, caught that long. This short I could have got something out of, but it reversed on me. I didn't take the target. So you might want to check out Mr. G's YouTube channel. Here is the link for winning Wall Street's money. So 2 out of 3. Good start to the morning here. First hour too. So 3 trades in 1 hour. That means we're on pace for about 10. We'll see how it goes. So far, this 3-minute chart thing seems to be working out. Focusing back on there for now. Still, you see how it's, we got up to 916 over here. This was the high of Globex. And it's tried once, twice, 3 times. This is the 4th time that it's trying to get back up to that high. And coming back down. So again, it failed. Hit 909. And coming back down. How's everyone else doing out there? Anyone else taking trades yet this morning? Y'all seem a little quiet. I know it's Monday, but come on, guys. Time to wake up. About an hour from the bell, a little over an hour from the bell. We're just 2 weeks from Halloween. Will the rest of October be a trick or treat? Excellent, Matt. Yeah, it's making another run for it. Up, up, up. Yen. Yen chart. Not afraid of falling because it just keeps going down. Wow. Look at that. That's a daily chart. Yeah, yen has taken a beating. That would have been a great swing play start from the start of the year. Copper's continuing to try and move up. Ooh, hit a nice little high there. That was a nice boost there. Also at that 720 area, or 820, sorry. 720 my time. Everything kind of made a big upwards move there. Look at natural gas falling. Natural gas under 6. That's a huge fall real quick. Here's the mark. Remember, I make these marks right before I come on air. So this is where we were at when I came on air, when I moved the yellow line. We've fallen all of a sudden 150 ticks. It's a $1,500 fall in the last hour. Gee, what's making natural gas fall? Yep. Now, we did just try again and break the high a day. Got up to 913. Our high is 916. It's kind of aren't the funnest looking candles in the world. Now you see, we've been getting figures on the day. There's a burst, and that's a new high day. Hey, Burrow. Boom. Wow. So remember, this was our high. Came down. Tried. Oh, there we go. See, just goes to show. If at first you don't succeed, try again. 924.5 is where we've topped here. So it's struggling to get above the 920 area. Let's see. Let's watch it and see. Just hanging here. Continuing to move up. Or trying to. I mean, it has not re-gotten up to 24. It's continuing to try. Oh, wow. Gee, that's interesting. It's continuing to try here, but it's struggling. It's slightly higher high, but nothing much to talk about. So pulling back down, maybe we've reached the top again. It is a bearish engulfing. Let's see. Yep, coming back up, so no longer a bearish engulfing. Go back and forth between the 1 and the 3. So we wait for our next opportunity with 50 minutes until, not 50, not 15, 50 until the bell. Stretching. Is continuing to try to move up here. There we go. Just got another burst. So it's a slow grind type of move, but it's working. Working. See, this is Friday. It's crawled back up there. It's now working on trying to get back that candle. You do see there's the 100 EMA I have on there. Yeah, it's the 100. See if it can get up to there. Strong move up now, 931. Well, thank you, Tiffany. So, strong move. Is this a sign for the week, or is this just a move? We'll see. We had this interesting consolidation. This ended up being a consolidation. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Sound off. Oh, sorry. But now we're rising up. All rise. Yep. Top of the hour. Energies market will open. See it coming back down just a tad. First red candle. If it holds in the last 5 and only 1 out of the last 8. Back to green, still going up. Crude also going up here is with 15 minutes to go before it's open. Big 5-minute candle there on ES as well. It's up 7 points. Gold made a nice rise up there. It's kind of sideways now. But look at that move on crude. Very impressed. Natural gas continues to just kind of hang around right at that 6 level. Alter bond after that nice move up when it's open came back down to its EMA and bounced. Very nice bounce. This is one of those moves that, I got the start of this move. I got 10 points. Had no idea it was going to go 40. But eventually, the goal is to do more than one contract, I think. It's still a debate where I will let one run. So now our high of day, all the way up to 945. Can we get back up to 11,000 today? As we rise up. Watching for the move down. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 straight green candles. So over 20 minutes of sustained green. 1 minute obviously is not as clean as that, but also a beautiful move up there on the 1 minute. I sound kind of nasal today. Give me a second. I'm gonna blow my nose and clear my ears. Okay, so there we go. Maybe we've reached the top of the mountain. Let the mountain come to Muhammad. Or I have no idea. Huh. Everybody's leaving. Okay. Candle closes in 15 seconds. It's a possible reversal. Can I watch? gonna take a short here. I think we're coming down. I probably wouldn't. Honestly, I probably wouldn't take this move if I wasn't paper trading today. But for now, we're gonna see because I just got a feeling here. And this was a mistake. That's okay. That's why I don't play those moves normally. I guess wrong. Hey, Black Beauty, how's it going today? Crude market opens in about 10. Yeah, I was right about, possibly right about it coming down. It just, maybe I was early. I should have waited for a more of a confirmation. It's trying again, continuing to move up. So strong a move than I thought. Definitely, definitely, definitely. So, kind of watching. We are 6 minutes from the top of the hour. Chilly morning. Very chilly morning this morning. And our high of the day, right around 45. You can see it's hit there 3 times. Continues to try and move up. Definite strength here. So again, it's still hanging here. Oops, 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 oops. And 5 minutes to go. And 35 minutes to the bell. So I've made one stupid trade, one okay trade that turned out bad, and 2 good trades. Crude leveling out here before it's open. $36.50. Yep. Actually, a little bit chilly this morning. I don't usually get cold. So where will we turn around? How high will we go? Oop, strong move down there, about 7 points. Oh, just here toward the top of the hour. Couple minutes, seconds to go. See if we get any type of a boost or maybe a reversal here. It is seem like it's starting to run out of steam. Again, it could be wrong. Another boost up, 55, 56, and then so we're just continuing to rise since that last trigger candle. We're up just about 60 points. Crude market opened. It's not really flashing anything yet. Big move down there on copper. Wow, look at this move up. 17.5 points on this 3-minute candle. 10,962. Hey, UB Ketchup. How you doing? So, just a absolutely wonderful move after. Overall we've been in an uptrend since last night. You can see had a pullback after London, another move up, another pullback. A couple pullbacks, but overall the trend's been up. We had this consolidation as we came on this morning, but overall it's been an up day pretty much the entire day. You had the big move up at the start, consolidation, and boom. So is it going to be up all day, or are we going to reverse on the open? Guess we'll find out. But for now, it looks like we're just going to go to all-time highs. No, that would really be an amazing day now, wouldn't it? All-time highs was 16 something. I don't even remember anymore. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Yep, up to 73. So are we going to hit 11,000 before the open? What do you think, guys? And ES? ES is now up to 36.56. In the year 36.56. Crude moving up now, some. Well extended, but we'll see. That's still a good entry there so far, Burrow. Obviously 42 of it, much better entry, but it's still a good entry. Oh, excellent. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh, Gary, how are you doing? Yeah, I assume that was for you, Burrow. So high 78, pulling back a little bit, but still green on these candles. Morning, Ace. How you doing today? Great job, Black Beauty. Yeah, nice little boost there on crude, then back down. Pulling down a little bit. We'll watch. Here's my 3-minute chart. Maybe we finally reach the top. 78. We'll see. We're consolidating a bit. Really? Rally? It's kind of sideways. Just continuing to show green here. It's light green, but it's green. Yeah, I agree with the whole overextended thing at this point. Nice, Burrow. Join the manual traders, Burrow. Join the manual traders. See, you see this rise up, rise up. Crypticon. How's your weekend, Ace? How was your weekend, Crypticon? A reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's content, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm so we continue to grow. Also, a reminder that we have no evening streams this week. I have stopped streaming to ShareVision until if there's any other type of resolution there. I don't expect there to be, so probably not next week, but the following week we will start a couple evening streams each week on YouTube, probably. Maybe I'll pull out Twitch again too and do both. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, CBR. So at this point, unless ShareVision suddenly changes something, we're done with ShareVision. I still gotta change that marquee thing down at the bottom that's scrolling at the bottom of the screen, but cool. Then yeah, the main reason I'm saying not next week is because my Phillies have surprised me and made it to further in the playoffs than I ever thought they would. So I plan on watching them because this Phillies playoff thing doesn't happen that often. So probably shoot for that first week in November to bring back evening streams on YouTube. It's probably not going to be 5 nights a week like I was doing on ShareVision. Maybe more like 3 nights a week. Continue to just. It's not really rising. It's rising, but a little bit. And our high now is 980. We are about 15 minutes from the bell. How's things been going, CBR? Plus, that means I actually need to make up more thumbnails because if I have the same thumbnail for the morning stream and the evening stream, that'll be weird. So I'll have to make up new thumbnails for evening streams. That's a good idea. John, thank you. Good morning. I'm still in shock from that, but absolutely awesome. And the fact that the Padres beat the Dodgers, I'd much rather be facing the Padres than the Dodgers. So that'd be quite the move there, Burl. Seems to be leveling out here about 15 minutes ago. So I've made 4 trades this morning, 2 good trades. One, I mean, it was a decent entry, just turned against me. I'm not mad at it. And one, I'm just mad at myself for because I shouldn't have tried to guess a reversal. Burl, you just perfectly described how trading works. There aren't many more options than that. But it's still trying to grind up. I mean, this has been quite a move. Now, I'm working, once again, for those of you just joining, I have switched to trying a 3-minute chart. Doesn't go as fast as that 1 minute. Don't need to make as quick decisions, but yet gets me moves quicker than what a 5 minute would. And I was testing it out over the weekend, back testing, looking at charts, and I think I like it. So this is a 3-minute chart, not a 1 minute chart. But you can see here, this move started now 1 hour ago, exactly an hour ago, and it's only had 4 red candles this entire move. Hello, Richard. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining us. How are you doing? Well, you're welcome. So 10 minutes to the bell. If you wouldn't mind, it's up to you. You don't have to. I'm here to learn. Okay, so are you a newer trader, Richard? Cool. Well, glad you're joining. Ask any questions that you have along the way. Full disclosure, I am not the most consistent trader yet, but I know what I'm doing. It's more psychology than anything else. But there's a lot of good traders here to learn from besides me. Awesome. CFT is an awesome supporter of this channel. He's a great guy. Just don't ever tell him you're trading micros. We just launched it a couple weeks ago. It's still growing. Up to about 80 members, I think, now, though, in about 2 weeks. So that's pretty good. That link should work there. That Nightbot just posted. If not, I can generate another link. Let me know. I know sometimes these links expire, even though I set them to never expire. Let me go edit that, and let me go get you a link. Give me 1 second here. Da, 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 da. There you go. And let me go change that in Nightbot. Okay, so next time Nightbot posts, it should be right. Thank you. And there's a pull down, about 12 points. And I just did your verification manually, so you don't have to worry about doing the verification. I'm assuming that potentials that just joins also here from somewhere. I did your verification too. Yep, we pulled back down here, 13 points on NQ. ES pulled back by about 3 as we headed to the bell. Oh, Richard, you're fine. I'm a multitasker. I do 10 things at once. So yeah, and I'm right now. It's not making any moves that I want to take anyway. You're fine. If I was busy, I wouldn't have done that right there. You're okay. I'm very easy to get along with. At least I think most people would agree. Hey Rod, how's it going? very relaxed. With the exception of those times that every now and then I get frustrated and like start ranting about my trading, but other than that, we're good. This is, we try to make sure everything stays friendly here. No drama. We try to keep politics out. No talking about like aliens landing or anything. Yeah, some people love drama. So we're less than 5 minutes to the bell. I should have had a V8. Oh. Yeah, just see where we go here at the bell. We're still a little overextended from that move up. Quick gander at our other higher time frames. Just staying there. Just took a trade on our might. Never mind that. Well, anyway, 30. Everything looks bullish right now. 15 looks bullish, although also a bit overextended. 5 minutes. 5 minute actually looks kind of level for the last half hour. So we'll see where we go. I don't know where we're going. A warning, Richard, I sometimes break out in song. I apologize. Morning, Zach. Burl, don't ever say that trend is your friend thing on Weenie's channel. It sends him off into a weird rant about that. Yeah, but Richard, you're not doing it with a live audience. I mean, he's against, but he's always like, he'll start going into like, which trend are you talking about? And he'll go to multiple time frames where one might not show the same trend as another time frame and say like, which trend's your friend? So it's kind of, it's kind of funny. He's trying to make a move up to 11,000 here. I mean, it's 13 points away with a couple minutes before the bell. 991, 992. Oh, Burrow going to cause trouble. So obviously staying flat until after the open. See what the open tells us or shows us. Hopefully it shows us something good. Oh, it's something good. 16-point 3-minute candle here. After a 10-point candle. That's like 26 points. Early morning math. NQ. Thanks for that warning, Ace. Are you okay there, bud? So it's just shy of 11,000 here as the bell's about to ring in 45 seconds. Gastrointestinal issues there, Ace? Are you sick, bud? Almost there. It almost hit 11,000. Came within 2 ticks of 11,000. It's interesting here what's going to happen. Ooh, there's 11. It hits 11,000 10 seconds before the bell. Okay, good. Glad to hear it, Ace. Okay, there's the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Ring-a-ling. And what? It just stopped? Did I freeze up? My chart froze. I'm not sure what's going on, guys. There we go. Not sure what happened there. My chart froze. So there we go. So boom, 25 points up. You know, if I would have been in a trade when that happened, I would have been like totally freaking out. Anyway, 30 points. Wow, look at this move. So much for being overextended. I'm betting. Let's see, what's ES has done 7, 8. So I bet Ace has got his 2. Well, yeah, Ace has definitely got his 2. $36 points on this 3-minute. That's been one heck of an impressive move. I am expecting a downward move. That said, I'm not going to catch a rising rocket. Did you stir up trouble? Pull one back a little bit here. So we hit 11,040. Real quick, you can see how far we've climbed back up that loss from Friday. Almost, I mean, there's another couple hundred points to go, but still. Yeah, it has been. Great rise. Just be interested to see if this is an all, sustains it all day, if we're going to reverse at some point here. I mean, right now, I'm thinking we're going to see at least a small reversal. But, I tried to play a reversal back here, and that didn't go well. So for now, I'll wait for a better signal on that. Hey, great job, Burl. Nice. Wow. Yep. This 3-minute candle is up 40 points. ES, wow, it's up to 74, so Ace is up 8 or so. It's our 5-minute, well, no, it's not. So, 5-minute chart on ES, it's up, whoa, it's up 12 points on this candle. NQ, leveling out here a bit. Let's switch over to the 5 quick. 5-minute candle's up 45 points. That's what he said. Yes, yes, you can. That said, Richard, if you're a newer trader, you should not trade NQ. You should definitely stick with ES. NQ is NQ is fast and hard. I shouldn't be trading NQ, but I like NQ, but for a newer trader, ES is definitely the better product. So, opening 5-minute candle closes here in 10 seconds. So opening 5 minute candle up 37.5 points. Still trying to rise. ES ended up 12.25. Also still trying to rise. You're up about 10 points there, right, Ace? Great job, Zach. If that's an ox burl, we're going to have problems. Wow, burl, go, 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 go. Oh, this is just an amazing. I mean, I thought we were going to be topping out any point here, and we still haven't. Nice, Ace, nice. One day I might get smart and not trade NQ, but I still think I can. I still think I can be successful with it because my system is successful on is is successful on just about any asset as long as it's not a choppy all the time asset. But it's just reading the chart. Just kind of why I've pushed back to a 3 minute now. This is just an amazing run. Pulling back a little bit here now, but wow. So 85 and Ace was in at 66. Wow, Ace, you're near 20 points on that one. Wow, Burl. Burl's gonna start manual trading now. Yep, gee, that was a big, big, big range on Friday. Yeah, it's pulled back a little bit, but not a real quick pullback here. It's not like it's just an all of a sudden crash. Oh, yeah, okay, yes. There you go. It's back, Ace. And a ride or die. Ride or die. Pulling back just a tad. Just a tad. Gold, really choppy. Crude oil, kind of chop, but still heading up. Copper, the nice move up. Ultra bond looks kind of choppy. Uh, hey guys, it's giving me a little bit of an error. Did get a notification from my ISP that they noticed a performance issue in this area, and they're going to be working on it starting at midnight tonight. So that might be what's causing these issues. Hang in there. Can you still hear me okay? You still getting the white circle? Still rising up. Oh, okay. Yeah, I saw that, Justin. Sorry to hear that. I'm doing all right. I'm paper trading because I don't actually have an actual account to trade on right now. Wow, we've hit 11,100. Wasn't that long ago I said, are we going to hit 11,000? So we've come up 200 points in the last hour and 20 minutes. Remember, folks, if you do get a spinning circle, hit the live button to get you back to the live so you're not lagging. Awesome, Ace. Yeah, you got what? Wow. You probably got 25 points out of that, didn't you, Ace? Beautiful, bro. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. So, Richard, are you paper trading at all, or are you sim trading, or how are you practicing? Or are you still just in the watching and learning phase at this point? Oh, live trading. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. With who? Apex is tough with that constantly trailing drawdown. Oh, people like to hear about winners, Ace. I mean, I could say, well, that's why I have losing days is to make sure other people don't feel bad, but it's it's not true. People like to know it's possible, Ace. Absolutely. Yep. All right. Great job, Crypticon. Have a good breakfast there, Ace. What are you making today? Cool. So you get a little time off. Starve the kids when they have to stay home. No. Richard, on the Discord, if you notice, we have a spot for prop firm progress, so you can watch other people's progress there as well as post your own. Have we reached the top? Is 11,114 the top? You can see just how much of that loss it's gained back, all that Friday loss. Friday's high was 253, so we still got a ways to go if it wants to try and get up there, but that was quite the impressive move. We're almost at the top of Thursday after that wild CPI day. I think we actually, no, we didn't. Okay. So I thought we might have touched it, but we didn't. Kind of leveling, slowing down here, pulling back. Back, we hit a high of 114, already down to 84, so a 30-point pullback. So I was thought about taking the short after that first red candle. I should have, because that would have been nice. Well, thanks for stopping in. I was wondering where you're at, Dakota. I was worried about you. Hope it's traveling for fun. Good, yep. And as Ace says, say have safe travel. In honor of Dakota, we'll check out UB. Actually, I don't like the way UB looks today. UB is, yeah. Let's look at it on 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute's clearer today, actually. That would have been a nice move right there. Nice, G. Oops, wrong chart. Wow, you're getting any type of weather or anything, Ace? Uh, that's insane, Burl, but cool. Everything's all right with the computer there, Ace? Well, before you go out to check it, remember to put on a robe. Awesome, Dakota. Glad you had some fun over the weekend. We're happy to see you tomorrow. And remember, Ace, tomorrow's trash day. I think it's kind of odd that I remember your trash day better than you do. So there's a 2 bar pullback, and now we have another candle up. It may not be done. It may not be done yet, we shall see ya. Best friends. There we go. I need to remember the Friends theme song and sing it every time someone says that. So we're back above 11,000. Gold looks difficult today. Crude oil looks kind of grindy today too. Meanwhile, look at this fall on natural gas. Agriculture popping up. Bitcoin's having fun too right now. Excuse me a second. And back down. So it's a 28 point candle up and a 28 point candle down. Yep, I do have that face melting ray. Yep. We may be coming, this may be the reversal, but we'll see. Uh, he's in there, but he hasn't post because Discord confuses him. Ace, except Warren Buffett. I think he was born with the knowledge. Yep, 6-0, 6-0. Philly sports are top of the world right now. And feeds his family. Because you can feed a family on 2 points a day. You should get a tattoo of that, Ace. I love that they, beat the Cowboys because Cowboys have been doing decently this year as well. So that's that's a no, the tattoo, Ace. Ace trades ES. Wait, what's the other 1%? This is what we do when there's like nothing to trade. We just kind of talk and get to know one another. It's just kind of what the Discord's for as well. Or not, this is a big sideways action here. What this looks like on the 1 minute, guys. So it's actually giving me a signal on the 1 minute. 3 minute, nowhere close. Still 40 points away from the EMA on the 3 minute. Look at that move down on the 1 minute. So we're definitely seeing a pretty big pullback. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna try and take the 1 minute here. And see if I'm stupid enough to see if I'm stupid for breaking my own experiment here. Short trade. Wow. Oh wow, quick first down right back up. See if it gives us anything sustained back down. It looks like that might want to reverse on me right there. Let's see. Wow, so unfortunately there it did not reach my profit target. And now it's completely reversing on me. Wow, that quickly the fortune's reversed. In at 65, out at and out at 72. Now I'm not sure why the stop was weird there because it was supposed to be a 10-point stop, but I'll take it. But see that was. If I had gone for a 10-pointer there, I would have got it. But instead, I went for 15 and I didn't get it. Yep, it's coming right back down though, bouncing off that EMA. Let's go back to our 3 minute and see what it's looking like there. Doji on the 3. Bounce off that EMA. See if it wants to try and come back down. Go for a 10 instead of 15. So that was me trying to get more off that I shouldn't have. Short again. Wait. Why is there no... Did I forget a stop? I might have forgot the stop. Coming back. There we go. Yep. I'm gonna put our... Okay, we're out. No, maybe we're not. Gonna let the EMA be our stop. Did not hit that EMA. Alright, we're out. So, wow. So that did not work. Okay, I'm gonna stay with my 3 minute plan. Because I would never been in a trade on the 3 minute plan. Remember folks, I am paper trading today since I actually do not have an account to trade right now. The error to trade account is at profit target, so that'll be a funded account at beginning of next month. Uh, and I have not yet heard back from Tostep about an agreement extension. So right now I have no evaluation accounts, which sucks. I don't have, because of ShareVision screwing me, I don't really have extra money to get another evaluation account. Which reminds me, for those of you that just joining, that maybe watched me on ShareVision in the evenings doing the Asia. Again, we have stopped streaming to ShareVision unless they decide to get their heads out of their butts. Um, and in a couple weeks, we may go to a couple evening streams a week on YouTube. So no more ShareVision unless something dramatically changes. They've put me in a little bit of a financial bind that I am definitely upset about. So decided I was right on this. It just decided that it wanted to pop up first. Right now we're kind of choppy, so I should have stayed with my plan there, and I probably would have if I wasn't paper trading. But paper trading's for trying some stuff, new stuff that So let's see what it does here. Well, we're just watching here. I mean, I tried on the one that didn't work, obviously. And the 3 minute is not giving me anything to trade. Let's look at Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond's not a bad move right there. I mean, on that move down. I think the 1 minute chart might still be better on the Ultra Bond, though. That's giving clear moves. So I think different assets have better time frames depending on what you're trying to do. Obviously, I didn't study the Ultra Bond this weekend. I just studied NQ. Remember, when you're dealing with ticks, you should get screened for Lyme disease. Yep, we're just kind of hanging here. Hanging. So our high of the day, 117. Staying just under 11,100. I hear the train coming. It's rolling down the track. Choo choo, baby. Probably. Definitely the corn and the soy. So right now, kind of a boring. We're a little bit past 10 o'clock. Just waiting for NQ to do something. So let's poke it with a stick. Crude dipped down, trying to come back up. The corn song. I don't think I've heard the corn song. I might have and just not placing it in my mind. I know you're going to provide me with a link. Nice job, G. rally now, just sideways. Things are getting smaller. That's what she said. Oops. So we're just kind of watching this here while I go check out the corn song. Oh. So we kind of just grind here a little bit. Now I missed a good scalp opportunity. Right here. You see down here? This could have been a nice bounce. Yep, that was a nice move back up, and we're trying to get back up to the daily highs. Sorry about my little pause there. I was listening to the corn song. This is an awesome song. I like this. That kid's awesome. As did NQ. NQ new high of the day, 118.75. Sorry about my quietness there. I got enamored with corn. 123. So maybe Burrow's patience is going to be rewarded. He has as ES is hits 3,700. He's looking for I think 3,713 or 14. Thank you for sharing that, Ace. That was awesome. And thank you for bringing it up, Burl. As we're up to I'm sorry, 11,133. Yeah, OJ and coffee, those are on ice though, and that's a much more expensive data feed. None of the valuation firms have those. Wheat though, wheat's doable. I actually have a wheat chart here somewhere. Here's a wheat chart. I very rarely take a trade on agriculture. Catch a trend. Catch a trend. Coming back down. So after hitting 11,130, we've come down to 11,11,11. Wow. I think I had one too many 11s in there. 11,111. 11,11,11 will be really high. Yeah, I mean wheat's slower. It's agriculture is a little harder to trade. Yeah, I mean she probably some people just are they can look at assets and they after they've been trading for years they just know what they're gonna do. Right, and remember that Richard, you can't really on these on these prop firms you can't hold long term. Now, if you get it to a certain level where you withdraw from the prop and open your brokerage account, then you can swing trade. Remember, you have high, margin to deal with then. No idea what the margin is on wheat, but we can look. Since NQ is still not giving me anything I want to touch here. Nope. Uh, wow. Uh, Maintenance margin on wheat is $3,300 a contract on AMP futures. So if you want to trade one contract, you will need $3,300 in there plus whatever you want to trade with. Have a good one, Ace. Make that cream of wheat all creamy. Oh my God, Ace. Oh my God. Wow. That's incredible, Crypticon. What's the profit target on that account? Coming back down. Wow, nice, Ace. I mean, nice, Crypticon. Sorry. Ace got me all, wow. Just didn't expect that. Yeah, just a bit. Pulling down. Good job, Gia. So, looking toward potential, remember we see her often, not always, it's not a guarantee, often see a reversal at 10:30 or approaching 10:30. So we'll see. We're still hanging high up in the mountains here and above 11,100. No, not quite above 11,100. We're right around 11,100. So I think, I mean, it's kind of showing signs up, now down. Go to a 1 minute chart. I bet you we were already, yeah, 1 minute would have already given me a nice entry there. So this is I'm trying to weather this whole 1 minute versus 3 minute. I already got myself tangled up trying to play the 1 minute earlier, and I would not have taken those losses on the 3 minute. So I mean, right now I would have been in this trade on the 1 minute, and would have gotten 10 points out of it. But I can't keep switching back and forth. Obviously, that would not be a good plan. Although I think when it gets overextended like this, maybe that is I don't know. We'll figure it out. With about half an hour to go on the stream. When we're watching, I think they're quiet all of a sudden. It's pulling down. See, our bands are tightening. Ace kills the chat. Hello, Jared's life. I hope I pronounced that right. If not, how are you doing? Thank you for that. If you're new to the stream, welcome. If you're not new to the stream and I forgot you, I apologize. But either way, glad to see you. 30 minutes to go. So remember, we are paper trading today because, well, Tostep hasn't got back to me, and I kind of reached profit target on my other account. So, and I don't have any spare money right now for an additional evaluation. Thanks to ShareVision screwing me over. How's everyone else doing besides Crypticon and Ace and G? I know they're all in the green. How's everyone else's P&L looking today? Bouncing a little bit here again. Definitely not wanting to give it up. Yep, it's back up over 11,100. So it really hasn't, because I struggle to get into moves that are already in trends. Obviously, I haven't really gotten in. This was my one opportunity. This beautiful bounce here off the Bollinger and the RSI, which corresponded, if let's get a line here as it tries to come back down. It was right there, and you can see that bounce waiting for a green confirmation. 74. Now it did dip all the way down to 58, but it burst back up to 30, so it could have been a very good win. And there's a move down. That's our first trigger candle here in the 3-minute in quite a while. Get this ready to go. Now our ATR is 25. So we probably need a bigger stop. Much as I hate bigger stops. Let's see if this trigger triggers. We've still got a minute. Nope, pull back, so no trigger yet. Got my finger on the trigger. Some traders wonder why, but trading NQ, it's do or die. Up, right back up. So down, up. I'm sorry, up, down, up. See if that leads to another down moment. What's everything else doing? Oh, nice. So gold grinded down most of the morning there. And now is trying to pop back up. Crude back down. And copper kind of sideways. I'm sorry, didn't realize I was muted. I apologize. Took a drink and forgot to unmute myself. Which is better than mutating yourself. Uh, why do I mute? Because I don't think you want to hear me taking a drink. That glug 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 sound is not really something most people want to listen to. I also mute if I need to cough, sneeze, or any other bodily function. And occasionally if there's background noise. But I don't recognize your name. Welcome to the stream. DJ Humphrey. I haven't heard. I remember seeing your name before, but I haven't seen you in quite a while. I use a headset with a mic because I don't actually have like a mic. I like sit on the desk or something. But maybe if I ever get some extra money, I might go to one of those. For now, I just do what I can with what I got. Not sure if there's a way to turn that setting off. I'm not sure it's supposed to be noise canceling or. Yeah, I have noticed that seems kind of weird. Just like in and out. Uh, DJ Humphrey, I think he's on Apex. I appreciate you joining me, Family Channel. Hope you enjoy the stream. NQ's not willing to give it up yet, so would not see the 1030 reversal yet as it continues to try to move up. In our sea monster pattern, because of a child. Oops. Never mind, I don't have sea monster. So we're sitting right around 11,000. That seems to be our battle point. Bulls versus Bears battle over 11,000. Who will win this epic battle? Find out exclusively on pay-per-view. No. Yeah, it's back down to 36.90. Never got up to that 37.14 that Burrow was looking for. Matter of fact, it topped out perfectly at 3,700 and a tick. I might experiment. I saw your suggestion, Family Channel, about calm music. And we've had that debate before about music. Some people hate it, some people like it. I don't know. I probably moving my evening streams to here. Maybe we'll play with some music on the evening streams and see how it goes. Finding the right music that's not copyright and free, not always the easiest thing. Yeah, I always take suggestions into account. Farmer music. Well, like Farmer in the Dell. Yeah, most people say they prefer to use their own music, which is why I never really went to music. But I do know other streamers do use it, so I had a cat. Well, I had how about on the farm? I had an ox. Not your most normal farm animal, but E-I-E-I-O. So we are just all of a sudden the market's lost all its oomph. We are an oomphless market right now. No oompa. No oompa oompas either. Just under 11,000. Nothing is really moving here. Gold with a decent little rise up there. So we got about 15 minutes to go here, unless something exciting happens. I've never, not, I'm always, I should say, I'm always willing to extend if we have anything exciting. So far, I'm not seeing anything exciting. Going all right. We've pulled back a little bit over consolidating, kind of boring. And we had a couple of new people say hi, and we had Ace say something that caused the chat to kind of die for 10 minutes as people were totally shocked. Market killer, market killer. It's kind of amazing how this has slowed down, but not really reversing either. Maybe here, just trying to get ahead of steam. There's a trigger. Our ATR is still 22. We're still gonna go 15 by 15 here. If it actually triggers. Nice, G. It's trying. There we go. That's a nice move. That's a 25 pointer. Now I hate big moves. I hate big trigger candles because they often reverse before. I mean, they often reverse on the next candle. So we'll see. I like the move here. It seems like we might have that the whole 10:30 reversal late today. You see a little bit of green there. Gonna take the short. Ah, I screwed up. Darn it! I screwed up. I hit limit instead of market. That would have hit profit target in 10 seconds. So that was a winning trade if I had done it right. If I had marketed in, that would have been a winner. That's also why I don't like to use limit orders. I'm almost always a market guy. I just messed that up. Because whenever I try to use limit orders, they go without me. So that would have been a winning trade for 300 bucks if I hit market instead of limit. You win some, you lose some. I'm paper trading. So I'm not going to be too upset about it. Hopefully by tomorrow I might have Tostep back. I hope they get back to me. If not, I'm not sure. We shall see. I'll figure out something. I always do. So nice move. That was a perfect trigger candle. Absolutely stunning trigger candle. It's the kind of trigger candle that would be in Trigger Candle Monthly. As you can see, it's continuing to move down. This is a 30 point now. 3-minute candle. Uh-oh. Swirling, guys. Am I still here? If you, is everybody else getting the swirly issue? Am I still here, guys? Someone say something. Yeah, looks like I am. Okay, good. For some reason, my preview window in YouTube is all swirly. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Huh, that was weird. Said no data for a minute. Okay, good. Okay, looks like we're back to good now. So anyway, that would have been a nice trade there, but I screwed it up. But otherwise, I mean, perfect. So I'm happy that I made the right call there. Just hit limit instead of market. So overall, my plan in using the 3-minute chart worked today. The only reason I'm technically negative today is because I tried 2 trades off of 1 minute. Hey, growth mindset. Hey, good to see you. Yep. Don't forget the corn ace. Don't forget the corn G. J. You killed the market for $2.96. So we are a little bit of a pause here. Yes, actually sent a trigger there on the 5 minute as well. I don't really follow 5 minute triggers. It's now come down 24 points, Burl, since the tie, but Burl didn't take profit. Crude coming down. Hey, Speed Racer. Welcome. And good morning. Thank you for being here. You guys, last call. If anyone enjoyed the content today that hasn't hit that like button, I'll appreciate if you did. Continues to let the YouTube algorithm know that you like me, and it continues to recommend the channel to other people that may like me. And I liked being liked. Cool. Gee, so you didn't take anything on that move up, though? Cool. So this would have been a successful day if I had been trading not paper. Yeah, I did take a stupid trade here and there. This one wasn't stupid. It just reversed on me. It actually worked, but it went down later. Then this one worked. This one down. This one worked. That one worked. This one was stupid. Totally 100% stupid. I thought we were gonna reverse, and we didn't. Obviously, we didn't. And then these were off a 1 minute chart that I should have never been in. So I actually consider this a successful morning. Ah, gee, okay, I got you. So I think that's where we're gonna call it for today, guys. Do want to thank everyone for being with me today, for joining me. We'll be back here on YouTube tomorrow morning at 7:30 Eastern. And remember, no more evening streams. I'm gonna run the old end screen. Just ignore all the stuff about ShareVision. I haven't gotten a new one recorded yet. But again, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we will talk tomorrow. See you then, guys. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'll love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on ShareVision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r ox market trading. Have a great day.